Welcome guys, welcome once again. This is Dongcheng Power Tool from GZ Industrial Supplies. So today we are going to show you our new tools, DCGG 500. This is actually our Dongcheng Cordless Grease Gun. We are going to show you how we can be able to use this and apply on any machinery that you want to do. You want to grease any of your machines, you can call us on this for our grease gun. This is the big guy. It comes with a 20 volt 2 amps lithium ion battery. And over here you have the charger, 20 volts 2 amps charging, very fast and efficient. So this is our grease gun. We're actually going to show you how to use this and teach you the technicalities of this tool. Come over here. So on this aspect, this is the tank for the grease. This is where you're going to put your tank, and this is the hose. It comes with an indicator. I'm going to plug this in so that we can see. So this is our indicator. This is the power button. You can see you can set it at this, you can set it at high. You can set it, the L is for low and the H is for high. You can see the efficiency, the sound. You can see it's actually low. So we are going to do this outside on a machine and test it to see how it works. Come on, guys.
This is our almighty cordless grease gun. It can do a whole lot. This is how to use it. This is how to use it on whatever your appliance you can use.